Ram just quietly brought back a legendary truck everyone assumed was gone for good, and it's returning with more power than before. Stick around, because the numbers might be hard to believe. This is the 2027 Ram 1500, and this year's biggest story isn't a redesign at all. It's the return of the TRX, along with a brand new performance family nobody was expecting. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this might be the most exciting model year the Ram 1500 has had in a long time. Let's start at the front, because this is where the shield-shaped grille and slim LED headlights continue defining the truck's face. That signature lighting leads directly into accent lighting outlining the Ram badge itself, while the chunky front bumper carries a wide air vent framed by its own separate trim piece, a detail that's carried straight through from the outgoing model rather than being reinvented. Here's the detail most reviewers skip. Depending on which version you're looking at, that front end tells a completely different story. The standard truck keeps a clean, work-ready face. The TRX gets a far more aggressive front clip designed around serious airflow demands. And the new Rumble B family sits somewhere in between, bold, performance-styled, but without going. Quite as extreme as the TRX. Now walk around to the side, and the proportions do the talking. The Rambox storage system continues adding genuinely useful lockable cargo space built directly into the bed rails, a feature that's remained one of this truck's signature advantages for years. On the TRX specifically, wider fenders wrap around massive 35-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 18-inch wheels, immediately signaling that this version was built for something far rougher than a daily commute. Now here's the part most people get wrong about this truck. The TRX isn't just back, it's back stronger than before. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, now producing 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, launching this truck from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. That's not a typo for a full-size pickup. Ram paired that engine with new Bilstein adaptive shocks offering 13 inches of front travel and 14 inches out back, giving the suspension enough room to genuinely absorb high-speed off-road impacts most trucks would never survive. On the road and off it, that capability shows immediately. Watch the TRX launch off a dirt rise, the suspension soaking up the landing without ever feeling harsh inside the cabin. Watch it plant those 35-inch tires through loose gravel with total confidence. This isn't a truck built to win a drag race on pavement. It's built to make sand dunes and desert whoops feel almost effortless. Alongside the TRX, Ram is also introducing the Rumble B family for 2027. And this lineup is all about giving buyers more performance choices than ever before. The base Rumble B runs a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, producing 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 in 6.2 seconds. Step up to the Rumble B 392, and a 6.4-liter V8 pushes that to 470 horsepower, dropping the sprint to 5.2 seconds. And at the very top, the Rumble B SRT borrows the exact same supercharged engine as the TRX, hitting 60 in just 3.4 seconds with a top speed of 170 miles per hour. Every single Rumble B variant pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission built to handle that extra power without hesitation. Around the back, the design keeps things clean and recognizable, with taillight graphics and badging that shift, slightly depending on which performance trim you're looking at, letting each version carry its own visual identity without straying far from the core Ram 1500 shape everyone already recognizes. Open the tailgate, and the bed remains just as configurable as always, with available in-bed power outlets and tie-down points positioned exactly where contractors and weekend haulers actually need them, regardless of which engine happens to be sitting up front. Beyond the raw power figures, it's worth stepping back and looking at just how wide this lineup has become. Ram is expected to continue offering as many as a dozen distinct trims across the 2027 model year, ranging from the work-focused tradesman all the way up to ultra-premium trims like the Limited and Tungsten, both of which lean heavily into leather. Upholstery, premium audio, and genuinely upscale interior, finishes rarely associated with a work truck. That means a single nameplate now stretches from a bare-bones fleet vehicle to a near-luxury cabin, without ever leaving the Ram 1500 name behind. That range also puts real pressure on rivals like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado, both of which are having to answer Ram's expanding performance and electrification strategy with hybrid and high-output variants of their own. For shoppers cross-shopping the full-size segment, the sheer breadth of choice inside the Ram lineup might be reason enough to put it at the top of the list. But here's the part you've actually been waiting for. Open the door, and the cabin runs. On Ram's Uconnect 5 system, paired with a large central touchscreen and available heated, ventilated, and even massaging seats depending on trim. On the TRX and Rumblebee SRT specifically, that comfort-focused approach continues even at the performance end of the lineup, proving these trucks are just as usable for a daily commute as they are for weekend off-road runs. For buyers who want something entirely different, Ram is also expanding its electrified lineup with the 1500 REV. This plug-in hybrid pairs a 3.6-liter V6 with a 250-kilowatt front electric drive module and a 248-kilowatt rear module, fed by a 92 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a 130 kilowatt onboard generator. Combined output lands at 647 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque, enough for a 4.5-second sprint to 60, while still towing up to 14,000 pounds and hauling up to 2,625 pounds. With a full 27-gallon tank and a charged battery, total range stretches to roughly 690 miles, including up to 145 miles of pure electric-only driving before the generator ever needs to kick in. Every 2027 Ram 1500 also comes with a strong base of standard safety technology, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, giving every trim, from the work-focused base model to the extreme TRX, the same solid safety foundation underneath. Now go to the back seat, and the cabin continues offering some of the most spacious, comfortable rear seating in the entire full-size truck segment, with the same premium materials and thoughtful storage solutions carrying through regardless of which engine sits under the hood. So, is the 2027 Ram 1500 worth the hype this year? If you've been waiting for the TRX to come back, or you're curious about the new Rumblebee lineup, or even the electrified REV, this might genuinely be the most exciting Ram 1500 lineup in years. Let me know in the comments below. Which one would you actually buy? The TRX, the Rumblebee SRT, or the electrified REV? If this is the kind of honest truck breakdown you actually enjoy watching, subscribe right now because the next reveal is coming very soon.